Let's take a look at finding the sample coefficient of variation from data using Excel version 16. Just to refresh your memory, the coefficient of variation is standard deviation divided by the mean times 100. Okay, so let's put some data in. 2, 8, 11, 17, 25. And I want to find the mean and sample standard deviation. Then we'll do our coefficient of variation. You could do it all in one formula. There'd be nothing wrong with that. I just want to show them separate here. Now for our mean, again, if I click my FX here, I'll bring up this. If it's not showing, do the drop down and choose statistical, and we want average. So I'll click OK on that, and here I want to type A1 to A5, A1 colon A5, or I can click over here and drag and it'll fill in A1 colon A5, and then click OK. Now our sample standard deviation. Again, I'm going to click my FX. Statistical should already be showing. And if I come down to the standard deviation, we got standard deviation.p and standard deviation.s. Since we're dealing with sample standard deviation, we'll go with standard deviation.s. The S is for sample. Click OK. And this is already chose, so I'm going to then, this time I'll type it in. A1 colon A5. It gives you the same result either way. If you want to click and drag, or if you just want to type it in. Click OK. So now our coefficient of variation is going to be standard deviation divided by the mean. So I'm doing equals, because we need a formula, D4 divided by D3 times 100. So again, that's going to take my sample standard deviation divided by my mean times 100. And that gives us our coefficient of variation.